Welcome back. This is to do on Wednesday. Now, Wednesday, but some people are wanting to do it early, so I'm going to go ahead and give it to you. Suppose you got big things going on. Got to get done later in the week. Anywho, okay, so we're going to now do circumference, and circumference is either 2 pi r or pi times diameter. So just like we did on the last ones when we were finding area, we're going to look at what we have right here. It's a short line, so it must be the short word. So we're going to have radius. So that's our radius equals 17. So then we're going to do circumference. Remember we talked about yesterday, circumference. Circumference makes that C, circumference equals, we're going to use, oopsies. Circumference, we were given radius, so we're going to use the formula with the radius. It really doesn't matter which one you use, but that's what we're going to do for this. So circumference equals 2 times 3.14 times our radius, which is 17. And I hear your calculators clicking away. Circumference equals 106.76, and that's millimeters. And circumference is just a line. That's all it is a line around the circle. So you do not square it. Circumference. Not squared. It's really bad. Sorry about that. It doesn't have to look so bad on your guys'. Maybe you could make a little note somewhere or something. Okay. Let's look at our line. It's a short line. Short line, short word, radius. So R, oops, I forgot to change colors, peeps. You gotta help me remember that. We can't, Mrs. Harris, we can't see you. I know it, I don't want to cry. Okay, I got myself situated here. Radius equals 3.9. So circumference equals 2 times 3.14 times 3.9. So I got circumference equals 24.492. So that would be 24.5 when you round it correctly, and it's meters. It's not squared. And that reminds me that right here, this should be an 8. Because I didn't round to the 8s, and I think you guys are all probably yelling out there. But I wasn't listening. Sorry. I'll do better. Okay, now, here we go. Look at this. We've got this long line. It goes all the way across. So that must be our diameter. Diameter, geez Louise. That's 19. So we're going to use this other formula, because the diameter is just twice the radius, so we could either do 2 times the radius, because 2 times the radius gives us the diameter. Jeez. So circumference equals 3.14 times 19. I got 59 and 6600ths. So circumference equals 59.7 centimeters. Is that what you got? If not, I'm sure you'll let me know. Okay, last one right here. Long line, long word. Diameter is the longer word, so it's the longer line. This isn't nearly as much fun as it when we're in class. Diameter equals 8.4. So that means circumference equals 3.14 times 8.4 circumference equals, I got 26 and 376 thousandths. So we're going to call that 26 and 4/10, and it's inches, not squared. The label isn't squared because we don't have that part squared. And that's it. So you're just plugging in your radius or your diameter into here and into here, multiplying it by 3.14. We got this. Okay. See you later. Have a good day.